The 11th of March, and we need to see a great smile. We're seeing one right now. Trina Johnson is here from Plaza Dental Group, and the thing that's really neat is your story is one of the neatest stories we've heard in a long time.
Because you're one of us.
Yes.
Oh yes.
You're one of the people.
Absolutely, that is right. That is correct. As a dental assistant, I mean, we are also patients just as much as any patient out there. So, I mean, we also feel the anxieties. We also still get nervous and all that stuff. And so I just want to let the world know we feel the same way.
And you weren't always someone that was on top of your game when it came to dental care.
Oh, absolutely not. I tell my patients all the time when they come in, some of them be ashamed, oh, I haven't been to the dentist in a while. And I'm like, well, I wasn't a saint always either. So, no judgment here. You know.
What's that mean? People are like, oh, she probably didn't go for like a year or something. What are you talking about when you weren't a saint?
How many? Come on, you can fess up.
When it comes to your teeth.
You can fess up. Mine was about 10. Mine was about 10.
We'll erase this part of the tape.
Okay. It was about 12 to 13 years. Yeah.
Really?
You know,
what is wrong with you, girl?
Well, I brush twice a day, Lou, and I tried to floss. I tried to, as a patient before I went to dental assisting school to realize the importance of taking care of your teeth.
All right, so you didn't go to the dentist, but you went to dental school.
I did.
What made that happen?
My grandmother.
Okay.
She always told me that I had an excellent smile. And,
well, I was going to say.
Yeah, always make sure you take care of your teeth. She really just drilled that in me. Make sure you brush, and every time I go over there, let me see your teeth. Here, grandma. Did you brush today? Yes, ma'am, I did.
I did.
So you had the basic ideas going on, but you didn't go to the dentist.
I did not go to the dentist. That is correct. But ever since dental assisting school, I realized the importance of it, and so yes, I am there on the regular. Well, I work there, but then I get my regular checkups and everything.
Now, where did you go to dental school at?
At Vatterott College.
Okay.
What's involved in dental school? Is it how long does it take, and what do you do in assistant school?
Well, it took me a year and 4 months, and we learned the importance of sterilization and disinfecting, and your standard precautions, ethics, and jurisprudence. And your infection control is very important. We also learn chair-side manner and how to assist in four-handed dentistry on there. And we make sure we learn our competencies, and we have tests to make sure that we are clear and understand every portion of our phases. We had 9 phases, and so each phase we have to do a competency to pass on to the next one.
So as a hygienist, you do assist the doctors from time to time, or is that kind of a regular part of your duties?
Oh, well, I'm a dental assistant, and so yes, I do.
You do. Okay.
Assist the doctors from time to time. We take x-rays, clean the rooms, set up the rooms, greet the patients, make them feel welcome, kind of let them know what's going to be happening today with their visit, if they have any questions or concerns that we can answer before. My job is to try to make them as comfortable as possible. So, because I know how it is.
I want to know how you guys know what number the teeth are, because whenever you're getting a checkup, you'll hear somebody and they're going to go, here's number 13 is in 1, 3, 1, 6.
Yeah.
And I go, how do you know these numbers? Are they written on the back of your teeth or something?
No, it's in sequence. It's like 1 through 16, 17 through 32.
Okay.
And so everything is like mirrored, and so you really have to pay attention when you're calling out the numbers and when you're like facing your patients, because everything is opposite. Like right now, my right is your left.
What's over here? Which one's up here?
That is your upper right.
Okay, so what is that? What number is that?
That is your number 1.
Okay.
And then number 16 is over here.
Is over here. Okay, and then 17 would be down here.
Down here, and then 32 is over there.
Over there. Okay.
Yeah.
But what possessed you to want to dig around in people's mouths?
Oh gosh, honestly, I'd never really woke up one day as a 13-year-old and said, gee, I want to be a dental assistant, but I'm just going to be real. When you see those college commercials where they be like, oh, I was just sitting on the couch and I wasn't doing nothing with my life, and then finally I got a phone call from such and such, that's exactly how it happened. I was watching the Maury show, and then Vatterott College came on the couch. I called, made the appointment, and it was history ever since, and my first day I was like, oh my God, what am I getting into? Because there was so many technical things you have to learn and everything, but as each day passes, I had a wonderful instructor. She explained everything very well, and I just graduated and did it.
So Dr. Mohan seems like she'd be a difficult person to work for.
She seems pretty mean.
No.
She seems like a tyrant, and she just want to make sure that you're there early, stay late. Is that the kind of person she really is?
Dr. Mohan is awesome. Love her to death. As a matter of fact, ironically, before I started working at Plaza Dental Group, I used to watch Dr. Mohan on here every other Wednesday.
Really? You're the one.
I am the one, because she was very knowledgeable about different, products that they had available. Before I didn't know about 6 months 21 Smiles. You know, I barely touched on Invisalign, you know, but she's very knowledgeable. We have so many different things that we do in that office. It just really had me reach a whole new level of my dental assisting experience and education-wise. I feel like I'm learning a whole lot of new different things.
That's really neat.
There you go.
So
but
you
also
have an
having a
opportunity
story.
to talk to 10 or 12 people on the air right now. There's more than that. What would you tell people out there about dental care and how important it is?
Well, it is very important. I just want to stress, you can't really stress hard enough. Once your natural teeth are gone, they're gone. So you kind of definitely want to treat them like babies. You know, you definitely want to take care of them, nurture them, because, you know, people like to eat a lot of different things, you know, sweets, meat, you know, and stuff like that. And a lot of my patients who are more like senior citizens, you know, I hear their stories like, oh, I wish I would have did this and I wish I would have did that, you know, and so you try to stress, especially to like the young people and adults, you know, you just definitely want to make sure you brush, floss, mouthwash, and all that good old stuff, because it's really important. Some people come in and you can have an x-ray and you see this radiolucency on like number 13.
That's
That's right.
Okay.
Good job. Good job. You know, and they'll see that radiolucency and they're like, oh, I'm like, well, does that hurt? You know, oh, no, it doesn't hurt. And it could be by the nerve and everything. You know, I like to call that the calm before the storm.
Yeah.
You know, because then like in 2 weeks later, they're coming in swollen and everything else, you know, and a lot of people had bad experiences as children that prevent them from coming to the dentist today. And so my main mission is to make them feel as comfortable as possible, to let them know that we have a lot of new different things. Technology has advanced so beyond, and so I mean we have great things to make you feel comfortable.
So go visit your dentist. You can meet amazing women like this.
That's right.
Get Trina's autograph next time you go into Plaza Dental when you go in there. So go check them out. So go visit Plaza. Now, tell everybody where Plaza Dental is located.
Plaza Dental is located off of Jordan Creek Parkway in West Des Moines, Suite 100.
Over by Culver's.
Yes, it is over by Culver's.
So get some ice cream when you get done going
Exactly.
to the dentist. Okay.
1089 Jordan Creek Parkway, Suite 100, West Des Moines.
There you go. DMSmiles.com for more information. So nice to meet you.
So
Thank
nice
you so
to meet
much
you guys
for coming
too.
in.
Thank you so much for coming in.
You're welcome.
All right.
Thank you.
It is 9:21. We'll be back. Smile, everybody. This is a great day.